All right, y'all, the app I'm about to be using in this video is PixArt. It's like a Photoshop type of app, and it's really helpful. I advise you download it if you haven't already. So now I'm on a photo slide. I'm about to go to see all, and then I'm going to go to background, and then I'm going to click on the all white one. Alrighty, so sunrise. So we gonna just get jiggy with it. This is the sticker feature, and basically what the sticker feature lets you do is it lets you browse through different types of, ideas you might have, like a heart. I guess creators on the app post like little stickers you can use. Some of them you have to pay for, but most of them are free. They have like the parental advisory sticker, smoke, just cars, galaxy skies and roadways and etc. But we're about to be using a roadway, so I'm about to extend this out. Now you want to make sure that it is fitting inside of the ratio of the picture to give it that more professional look. You don't want it to be like half off like this. That's gonna look like unprofessional. You feel me? Unless you put in a shadow to cover that little blank spot. But now that we got our city, I'm about to fill in those white parts. So I'm about to add some grass here. Boom, and then I'm gonna click on this layers feature, and I'm gonna scroll it down under the city sticker. And as y'all can see, voila, we got our filling. We got the cover art looking like something. Now I'm gonna rinse and repeat that step and put it under the grass. Boom. Now it's just, rinse and repeat. Now I'm gonna go to my stickers, and my Wi-Fi is tripping right now, but luckily I already have some, stickers. But I'm gonna use okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Galaxy, right? I'm gonna put the galaxy in the background. And then I'm going to go to effects. And then they have blur features on here. You can change the color, the inverted colors. You can just get creative with it. Just go put it on that one for now. And then I'm gonna blur it out. Oh, blur. And then I'm gonna add some, just some extra effects. So like some clouds, it's literally that simple. You just gotta use your creativity is what I can say. Oh, and then agile, four whip smasher, And then you feel me, you could add another vehicle, just want to be creative with it. And then if it's facing like the opposite way, you can click on flip and rotate, boom. Do it like that. Get the wheel in there, boom. Do it like that. To add more detail to my cover arts, I kind of add a shadow in the back, and I kind of like change the color of it and kind of just have it give off the illusion that my cars are like glowing, So I'm gonna make this one purple too, boom. And then you just gotta get creative with it, y'all. You feel me? It's that easy. Put the pile of cash in the back. I'm saying, little 2 bands. And then boom, and all right, now I'm finna take this over to Fonto. Now y'all might be asking, why is he using Fonto? I'm gonna show y'all right now. So boom, I'm finna just put like sunlight, or what was it called? Sunlight, right? Sunlight or sunrise. I forgot, but we're gonna put like our song title right here. Boom. Now they have like hundreds of fonts on here you can use. I'm about to be using the Capture It font, and then I'm going to just make that black, add on the shadow, kind of match it up with the theme, make it purple. You can kind of style the word too and put different colors. So let's say I wanted to make it like a darker green, a darker red, going up into a lighter red. I'll just do it like that, boom. Click on that thing on the top, the gradient, and then boom, get jiggy with it. Put your artist name right there. And then voila, put your parental advisory sticker. Boom. Add like a little blur. It's the light blur. And then I'm gonna do like a, and then voila, your cover art is, well, it's almost done. You gotta add that final part, man, that little, you feel me? And voila, and there goes your cover art, man. That's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully y'all learned something from this video and run this video up. I'm about to be dropping a part 2, so stay tuned. If y'all would like to go follow my tutorial channel, it's in the comment section. Link in the description down below for my people on my Curdybo 2X. And if y'all would like to go follow my main channel, it's in the link in the description down below. I'm posting this on both of my channels, so I'm saying it like that. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Curdybo in this thing. Curdybo out. Peace.